I think you need to be careful. I do trade daily crypto systems, and we've got data back to 2014, 2015 for that. And there's several bull bear cycles that we've been through now. So, my approach for crypto is I still trade daily charts. I even have a weekly crypto system, if you can believe it. It works amazing. Um, and the systems are designed to be what I call fail-safe. Now, fail-safe means it doesn't really matter what happens in the market. They're not going to blow up. There's always something that will get you out, get you to cash. There's always something that will get you into the big move. I'm not looking for very precise patterns that need huge amounts of data to prove that they're real. They're very blunt systems. And by making them simple, blunt, but very robust, then you can backtest with less data. I think with crypto, because the market is so accelerated compared to stocks, the bull bear cycles are much faster than the typical stock market, or at least in the past they have been. That means as long as you've got a few cycles, then you can backtest a simple system and build confidence in it. But if you want to have a very complicated pattern-based system or a seasonality type system in crypto, there's probably not enough data to validate it yet on a daily chart. But a blunt trend following system, breakout, stop loss, trailing stop, or mean reversion system with a profit target, you can get plenty of trades over plenty of market cycles. And I feel, build confidence in them.